Let me review for you LivePlan Business Plan software. And all you need to know about the software, how it works, the pros and cons, and everything else. Welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. And so here's the overview I want you to pay attention to. So when you think about LivePlan, I want you to think about a business plan software tool that is owned by Palo Alto Software, but it's very, very efficient, very user-friendly, and straightforward. So you have, like, if you want a template-rich, modern fill-in business plan software tool, LivePlan is the solution for you. With more than 500 free and full-length sample business plans for inspirations, together with step-by-step assistance, you can start without any hassle. One thing I need to say is that a business LivePlan actually it sort of works in tandem with B Plans, another business plan platform owned by Palo Alto. So when you think about LivePlan, think also about B Plans. And so when we think about the LivePlan software, you have advanced financial services that automatically calculate financial outcomes for the 5 upcoming years. Plus, if you are a Xero or QuickBooks user, you can easily import your data into the system to get an in-depth view of how your business is performing from a financial standpoint. And right now, you also have a wave integration that will come quickly, that will come soon into LivePlan. So we love that a lot. And with LivePlan, you can start with a one-page business plan before moving to a complete professional plan that can be used to pitch to investors. It's totally up to you, the level of granularity that you seek here. And the final business plan is not only higher quality, but also professional. And all the charts and graphs are well organized and easy to understand. So you will love them. This is just fantastic. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here to have this quick convo with you about LivePlan business plan software tool. And what I want to say here is that, LivePlan is really great to work with. It doesn't matter whether you're a small business, you are an established business, you are a large enterprise, you're a mid-sized enterprise, or anything in between. You will find LivePlan to be completely user-friendly and easy for you. And so what we love about LivePlan also is that they're pretty transparent when it comes to pricing. I'll speak about that later on, but they're pretty transparent, and you also have the ability to actually to cancel your plan. So within the first 35 days, if you decide that you would rather not use the LivePlan, or after, you just need to contact their customer service and you can cancel it. Let me talk to you about the pros and cons here. So when we talk about LivePlans, what are we talking about? I first want to go with the pros. So you have an intuitive, modern interface. You have a huge number of customizable templates. You have bank-level security, affordable plans. You're able to work on multiple active plans simultaneously. You have a variety of business resources, including step-by-step instruction, video tutorials, and general customer support. You have 60-day money-back guarantee, a free trial. That's just fantastic. You have low-cost annual plans. You have affordable pay-as-you-go plans. This is really, really great. You have no contracts at all. You have no cancellation fees. So you have no cancellation fees. You can reactivate anytime. And what we love about the LivePlans is that we love the clean, modern platform. And the software is cloud-based, works on any business machine. Speaking about Linux, Windows, and Mac, you can create unlimited business plans. You have access to over 500 business plan templates, especially if you were to go to the sister B Plans platform. And so this is kind of cool. It integrates very well with QuickBooks and Xero, and so you can import your data easily. And we also love the fact that Palo Alto has actually created a very knowledgeable customer service department within LivePlans that can answer all your questions. We love that a lot. And so you have a constellation of benefits here, okay? And we also love the fact that you can actually export finished business plans as PowerPoint presentations. And we also love the fact that you have within LivePlan, you have detailed instructions and guides to help you get you started. So bottom line is, even if you're a novice, even if you are a neophyte when it comes to business planning, you will find a tool that will be able to help you out. So let's talk about the cons here. LivePlan can sometimes require a learning curve, especially if you are completely new to the whole business plan world. You might actually have to spend some time to learn how the software works. And you can't customize financial projection dates. You have limited third-party integrations, no valuation capabilities. The templates are built on Palo Alto Software's earlier Software Business Plan Pro and require some modification to be used on LivePlans. There's no free trial or plan. And users report the software, and the graphs it creates can be challenging to learn at some point. And so yeah, it is what it is. Let's talk about the value added. So when you think about LivePlan, what kind of value are we speaking about here? So LivePlan does a lot of good things. What we love here is that you have actually you have a business planning, you have a one-page plan, you have step-by-step guidance, you have more than 500 simple plans, you have automatic financials, you have lender-ready themes, you have financial performance tracking, you have solutions. And let's quickly go through some of it. So when we talk about business planning, in the you have like Live Plans has plans that are suitable for all industries. Automated travel and transportation, medical and healthcare, children and education, nonprofit, clothing, pets and animal shelter, computers and internet, various professional services. Boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about Live Plan. So this is a Live Plan business plan software review. In addition to business planning, you have a one-page plan. So this is kind of cool because you are able to pitch. Okay, you can describe your business in one sentence. You can present the problem and your solution. You can add the funding needed field. The sales and marketing section consists of a short sales channel explanation and a list of marketing activities. You just include some financial projections and important milestones. You add your team and key roles, and finally, partners and resources. So again, this is kind of cool. You have step-by-step guidance within LivePlan. This is really good. You have the access to the more than 500 sample plans that I just spoke to you about. You have and this you actually can get it through B plans. You have automatic financials. This is really good. So if you're looking for a Live Plan, like let's say you want to build your financials, you really have the ability to do so through Live Plan. You have subscription revenue, individual product sales, hourly rates, various expenses, automatic charts and graphs. You have lender ready themes. Okay, this is kind of cool. Financial performance tracking, so you can see your progress in real time. You can reach your goals faster. You can build visual reports and summaries without using spreadsheets. You can import your existing accounting data. You can create an edit forecast. You can compare your results to LivePlan competitors. So again, this is really good. You have solutions. So LivePlan provides solutions to various businesses, including entrepreneurs and small businesses, public accountants, CPAs, consultants, educators, enterprises, and incubators and accelerators. Let's talk about pricing here. So I want you to look right now on the screen. And so if you're interested in learning more about LivePlan in terms of the pricing perspective, you need to have so the pricing plans are diverse. We love that a lot. So you can have a pay as you go. You have a 6-month plan, an annual plan. In some cases, the LivePlan will ask you for we'll propose to you a 3-month plan. So we love that level of flexibility because LivePlan understands that some startups don't need to have I would say a business plan software subscription forever. It's kind of funny, when we see all those business plan software providers, they're asking you to subscribe for life. But what if you just need it for 6 months? What if you just need a solution for 1 month, for 1 year, because you're just you just have a startup. So we love the transparency here. We love the flexibility that LivePlan is introducing into the whole thing. And we love LivePlan because it offers great value at a very affordable cost. The software lets you quickly create business plans from anywhere in the world using what's arguably the best business plan software available on the market. It does everything better than its competition and cost way less in our view, okay? And what's more, the online cloud-based platform is easy to use and you are under no contract or obligation to keep paying for the service, okay? Even better, if you decide to stop service for whatever reason, Palo Alto Software, the makers of LivePlan, will keep your account active and business plan data preserved for at least a year should you decide to reactivate your account later. So this is kind of cool. And so it will be tough for LivePlan pricing to get any more straightforward, and you don't have to worry about any hidden fees. And so you have the standard, the premium. You can purchase a standard annual subscription. So when you purchase an annual subscription, the price goes way down, or you can actually purchase a premium annual subscription. This is kind of cool. Also, the price really goes. You can save anywhere from 10% all the way to 30%. So this is really good. Okay, you have the opportunity to do the things that you always wanted to do, and you can do so at a very at a fraction of the price. So we love that a lot. And one thing I also want to say here is that you can also save 40% if you choose an annual plan. and go with whichever package you feel most comfortable with. And so either way, you have 35 days. Remember, you have 35 days to try and cancel if you don't like it. Let me talk to you about the most important features that you will love, that you might love if you were to go with LivePlan, okay? And you can create an unlimited number of business plans. You have a forecast feature for those less mathematically inclined. You can plug in the data and it will generate charts, graphs, figures, and even the profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow documents for your business plan. You have a Xero and QuickBooks integration. You have real-time financial data backing and tracking. You also have, you can export your business plan to Word or PDF. You have step-by-step instruction and expert advice included. You have performance dashboards. You are able to track sales and budgeting. You can create a one-page pitch plan for investors. You have a milestone scheduling feature. So some people will use it when working with others on their plan. So this capability will let you assign milestones to people, and this is kind of cool. And you have availability of financial charts and graphs, and you also have industry benchmark comparison. So this is really cool. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about LivePlan. So this is a LivePlan business plan software review, and I'm actually going through a lot of things with you. So just want to keep on talking about the features that you will love on LivePlan. We love the fact that you have an online dashboard for tracking information and creating progress reports. And you have step-by-step instructions and video tutorials. You have advice and tips from business plan experts. And this is kind of cool. And again, the bottom line here is you have tools for team collaboration. We love that a lot. So the bottom line here is that LivePlan does have a breadth. It does have the breadth and depth of tools and resources and capabilities you need. And so this is kind of cool. And it doesn't matter whether you have 10 people in your team or 100 people or 1,000 people. LivePlan does have the scalability, does have the embedded, I would say, efficiency that will help you actually manage your projects in a timely fashion. Okay, and the software is kind of cool in terms of business planning, in terms of financial performance tracking. You also have the plugins, so this is kind of cool. And the plugins are great in terms of you have QuickBooks Online and Xero. So those are really great in terms of helping you move your LivePlan account to the next level. Let me talk to you about the rivals here. So LivePlan basically is not the only player in this field. They have a lot of competitors, and so when you think about LivePlan alternatives, you need to understand that you have other players there. I mean, LivePlan, don't get me wrong, offers a pretty interesting set of features, but it's not the only game in town that does so, right? So you have Go Small Biz, you have a BizPlan, you have Plan Guru, you have other players. We have actually reviewed any of those players in other shows. So when you think about Go Small Biz, you have a player that offers many of the same business plan and tracking features as LivePlan. This app provides industry-specific templates as well as a business plan creation tool that takes you through each individual step in the process. With Go Small Biz, you will get a Word or PDF documents at the end of the process containing your business plan, which you can then share with investors and lenders. And so in our view, Go Small Biz is better suited toward generating business plans than managing finances and creating, I would say, projections. However, it's worth bearing in mind that moving forward with the program, that Go Small Biz is a little cheaper than LivePlan. You also have BizPlan. So BizPlan is the business planning and setup tool under the startups.com umbrella. And this program also uses a step-by-step setup plan to help entrepreneurs devise a functional device plan and a functional business plan, a functional business plan. The interface, in our view, is reminiscent of drag and drop website creators, which means that you'll have plenty of room for customization and a unique look and feel for your business plan. Also, BizPlan offers a financial dashboard to help you keep track of your income, spending, and revenue. So this is kind of cool. And the program starts with a 7-day free trial and costs about $29 to $35 a month afterwards. You can also get a 30% discount if you purchase a full year's worth of service for about $250 to $275. Then you have Plan Guru. So if you're looking for a business plan software tool that's heavy on the financial side of things, Plan Guru might be the right alternative for you. The platform doesn't come with the pre-made templates, however, so you have to do significantly more work to get your setup to look exactly how you want it. But hey, listen, it is what it is. There are more integrations with leading financial and accounting programs than LivePlan. However, as Plan Guru supports QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Zero, and Excel as well, you also have the capability to add more if you want to. Plan Guru comes with a 30-day free trial and costs about $99 a month, which is really huge. And so this makes Plan Guru one of the more expensive options around, but it also provides a more robust financial toolkit than the alternatives. So what is the verdict here? So after analyzing all this, is a LivePlan worth it? Is the company legit? And our answers to those two questions are yes and yes. LivePlan is legit, and LivePlan is really worth it. It's really a great solution. It's one of the best solutions that we have reviewed in terms of breadth, in terms of depth of solutions, in terms of the user friendliness, in terms of the user interface. On top of that, Palo Alto Software, which actually makes LivePlan, has been in business for 35 years. I mean, so this really accounts for something, right? So the thing here, that whether you are working on your first business plan, drafting up materials for investors and lenders, or simply you want a tool that can help you keep your finances straight, LivePlan has a solution for you. This program is affordable, flexible, and powerful, which makes it a solid choice for most small business owners. It's hardly the only option on the market though, and the alternatives to LivePlan all come with their own advantages. No matter what you choose, be sure you are getting the right amount of software and support for your needs, and most importantly, your budget, right? So should you use LivePlan at all? Yes. I mean, we've chosen LivePlan as the best business plan software, if not one of the best, because it really gives you the possibilities and the capabilities you need, especially if you have no idea about business planning in general. Okay, and so being able to take let's say your core data and translate it into a beautiful presentation ready business plan that's refined and customizable will really be a lifesaver in so many ways. Whether you are dealing with investors, you are dealing with lenders, you're dealing with other constituencies like grant makers and so on and so forth, this will be really great for you. And so we love the fact that LivePlan has been here for the last 35 years. Again, has been helping millions of startups, millions of businesses for the last 35 years in terms of generating a pretty sleek, pretty functional business plan that is replete with all the I would say with all the functionalities you need. Okay, so we love the fact that it's a user friendly. This is really good. You can even forecast with LivePlans. You can, I mean, the financial part is really, it's not as deep as what you will have with the Plan Guru. However, it's still there. So this is kind of cool. We love that a lot. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Let's quickly do a recap here. So today's conversation revolved around a LivePlan business plan software review. And so I give you the overview, the pros and cons, the value added, the pricing, the features, the rivals, and the verdict. Thank you. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.